In this video, we're starting with a Next.js component. The head component from Next head is imported, which allows us to modify the HTML head of our page. Here we declare a functional component named myPage, which will be our main page component. Within the component, we define our inline script. In this case, it's a self-invoking function that logs hello, world, to the console. Next, we compute the hash of the inline script using SHA-256, a cryptographic hash function. This is a crucial step, as it generates a hash that will be used to match against our content security policy, ensuring the script is allowed to run. We now move into the JSX return statement of our component. This will structure our page's HTML output. We include the head component which nests inside it the meta tags necessary to specify our content security policy. We set a meta tag with the HTTP equiv attribute for content security policy. The content value defines our policy, specifying script src directive with self and the hash of our inline script. Any inline script that doesn't match this hash will be blocked from execution. Closing the head component, which now has all the required CSP settings. Below that, we inject our inline script into a script tag using the dangerously set inner HTML prop. This is how we tell React to insert raw HTML, which is used here for the script because React inherently escapes inline scripts for security reasons. Then we provide a paragraph to explain to the user that the inline script executes because its hash matches the content security policy rule we set above. We close the div and return block of our component, which completes the structure of our Next.js page that safely includes an inline script using content security policy with a hash.